Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to make a simple text-based intro using CapCut. When you enter CapCut, select new project and select a background of your choice. Now I got this clear background from Google Chrome. I just downloaded a clear background. So you can get your background from either Google or from Pinterest. When you enter CapCut, the first thing that you want to do is go to ratio at the bottom of your screen and select 16:9. That is the dimension of a YouTube video, and select the tick. Now you realize that on both sides we're seeing a black space. We don't want that. That means that the entire frame is not covered and we want the background to cover the entire frame. So what we're going to do is select the white background that we just uploaded and we're going to stretch it until it covers the entire screen. Once that is done, we're going to start adding some text. Go to text at the bottom of your screen, select add text, and for this I'm going to use my YouTube username, which is Bree Design, and I'm going to type everything in uppercase. Now I'm just going to browse through the CapCut font section, and the font that I will be using is New York. So I'm just going to scroll down until I find New York. And as you can see, CapCut updates their font library or font gallery every single day. So each time you go to CapCut, you always find a new font to use. Now the text color is in white, so to change the color of your font, what you do is go to Style, and right where you see the color grid, you change the color to your desired color. I'm just going to keep mine in black, and I'm going to scroll down to look at the size and the opacity. So you're going to set those based on your desired size and how visible you want the text to show. So for the font size, I'm going to put the font size at 17, and I'm going to put the opacity at least a 30% or 31, 34 is fine, and I'm going to increase the text a bit like that, and I'm just going to add some animation. So where you see animation, select animation, and the animation that I will be using is an animation called Concentrate. So let me scroll down and see. It's right here. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to set it at a 0.4 or 0.5 seconds. And when all of this is complete, I'm just going to select the tick right here, and I'm just going to play back to see how this looks. Awesome. Now I'm just going to go back to the beginning of the video, and I'm going to select text again, and I'm going to add another text. This time I'm going to add Bree Design, but I'm going to add it in lowercase, and I'm going to use a scripted font. The scripted font that I will be using is called Signature. Once that is done, I'm just going to go over to Style and make some adjustments. So I'm going to increase the opacity. I want it to be very visible. And then, ensure that your words are spelled correctly. I have Bro Designs instead of Bree. Then I am going to click on shadow, and I want my shadow to be black. And I'm going to set the shadow the shadow to at least 46%. Just like that, and I'm going to turn down the blur a bit to about 18%. I'm going to decrease the size. I'm just going to select text again, and I'm going to put this size at about 16. Then I'm going to select and add an animation. I'm going to use the same animation as I did before, which was Concentrate. And I'm going to set this at about 0.8 seconds. So let's see how we're looking. Okay, so I want the breed design in all caps to be a bit bigger. So I'm going to select it, the text box for it, and I'm going to zoom in on it a bit, just like that. Then I'm going to start over and play to see how we're looking. Okay, I think we can do some adjustments, the smaller breed. So I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to select it. Sorry. So select the text box, and I'm going to zoom in to reduce the size a bit. So let's play and see how we're looking. Awesome. So now we're going to add our third text. So this basically is the description of your channel, or what your channel is about. So I'm just going to play this. I don't want this text to come in at the exact time as the name of the channel. So I'm just going to play this a bit. Then I'm going to pause it. Then I'm going to add our text. Select add text, and I'm going to add in lowercase a little bit of everything creative. Dot. I'm going to go to font, and the font that I will be using is Future. And I'm going to go on style, and I'm going to reduce the size a bit. And I'm going to go to animation. So the animation that I'm going to use is flip up. And I'm just going to pull the text down to see how this looks. Okay, so let's play everything and see how we're looking. Okay, so we're going to adjust the speed of the animation. So to do that, we're going to select the text, and we're going to select animation, and we're going to increase the speed a bit. Let's see how we're looking. Okay, so realize that this text, this playhead is a bit further than the regular playhead, so we're going to match them up together. So we're going to select it, and at the end we're going to pull it in to fit with everything else. Everything is aligned properly. So let's play again. Alright, so this can actually enter the screen a bit earlier. So I'm just going to select this and pull it forward. Okay, let's try again. Perfect. I think we can pull it down some more and reduce the size some more. Let's see how we're looking. Perfect. Now we're going to add some effects. So first I'm going to scroll to the bottom of my screen, and I'm going to select stickers. And the first thing I'm going to search for is a subscribe button, and it is actually on trending right now, so I'm just going to select it. Normally you could find it on this icon right here. So I am just going to select it, add to our screen, and let's play and see how we're looking. So that is a bit too big, so we're going to go over, we're going to select it, we're going to bring it down, and we're going to reduce the size. So to reduce the size, just use your fingers and zoom in. So let's see how we're looking so far. Okay, so everything seems a bit low on the page. So what I will do is I'm going to select the breed design, and I'm going to pull it up a bit on the screen. I'm going to select the one below that, and I'm going to pull it up a bit on the screen, and I'm going to do the same for this. Perfect. So let's see how we're looking now. Okay, so I don't want the subscribe icon to come in the same time as the name. So I'm just going to play this, and I'm going to pull this down a bit. So let's see how we're looking. Perfect. So I'm going to pull this up some more and increase it a bit by zooming out. And just play around with the placement until you get it how you like it. Then I'm going to add one final effect. So I'm just going to go to stickers again. I'm going to go to add stickers, and I'm going to go over the section, the category that says love. And I'm going to select this one with the heart, like that. Then I'm going to play to see how it looks. Awesome. So I want it to be a bit bigger, like that. Let's see how we're looking. Awesome. And that is it. So now we're going to export the video, and to do so, at the top right of your page where you see 720 pixels, just select that and adjust it to the resolution that you want. And as you can see, depending on the device that you're using, CapCut does give you the option to save in 2K or 4K. But for now, I am just going to put this at 1080, and I'm going to adjust the frame rate per second to 30 seconds, and I'm going to select export. And one last thing before you export, please remember to remove the CapCut watermark. So you select it and delete it, and then you can proceed with exporting your video. That's it. Thanks for watching.